In this video guide, we'll go over the different types of tasks you see in the Reliability view. First, let's talk about simple tasks. In the Reliability tab, the white boxes contain the asset ID numbers and descriptions of how to perform the tasks. The gray boxes contain the asset components and their task details. Simple tasks are usually one-off situations, like you see with this press section. The maintenance method is to use 2 pumps of the grease gun to top off using the product shown on the third line. If you can contain all the details for the task within 3 lines, it's a simple task indicated by the blue Done button on the right side of the page. Complex tasks show a blue Inspect button instead, which we will discuss later in the video. For your simple task, review the job details and hit Done. Different tasks have different required details, so be sure to fill out every field marked with a red asterisk. All tasks have an estimated completion time, but technicians can enter the actual time it took them to complete the task so the software can calculate that number against the original estimate for reporting. The same goes for materials used. For example, if the task specified you needed 2 pumps of lubricant, but you ended up needing 4, enter it in the corresponding field. Enter any additional comments you have. You can tag someone directly in the comments field to send them an automatic notification. Be sure to click Add to save your comment. Click Complete to finish the task. Tasks that require more detail than what can be called out in 3 lines, like documenting temperature readings or fluid filter conditions, have detailed forms attached to them. For these complex tasks, you'll see an Inspect button instead of a Done button. Clicking Inspect brings up a custom checklist with questions you mark off as you go. These checklists are especially helpful for making sure all technicians, regardless of their level of experience, can complete the task consistently. Some items on the checklist require additional details before you can continue. This can include asking you to upload images, enter values, or mark parts that were damaged. The Inspect form can also include a picture of the asset so you can make sure you're working on the right piece of equipment. Add any additional details, common issues, or images you want to include to help make the job easier for future technicians. Just like the form itself, entering these details helps keep everyone on the same page so the task is performed consistently. Enter the time it took you to complete the task. Make sure you have filled out all required fields, marked with a red asterisk, and click Complete when finished. Simple and complex tasks can be grouped together as part of regular routes. A powerful benefit of Redlist is the ability to analyze the efforts of your team through built-in visual reports. These reports track things such as mean time to repair, overall route compliance, and the balance between reactive and proactive maintenance. We work with you to build the reports you need to keep your assets up and running as efficiently as possible. You can also see the overall health of your maintenance or lubrication program through Redlist's visual mapping. At a glance, the color coordination of the pins helps you triage based on what needs immediate attention. By clicking on any pin, you can drill down into various locations of your facility, down to assets and their component parts to assess their current condition. For additional information, contact us at yourredlist.com to set up a demo and learn how we can streamline your loop management today.